Description: a conditioner for color-treated hair best paired with violet shampoo to keep blonde and gray hair cool-toned, soft, and healthy. Formulated to keep your color 95% longer, deliver moisture, strengthen, and repair. Benefits: 95% longer lasting color, vegan, and free of gluten, sulfates, parabens, DIA, and sodium chloride. Suggested use: work conditioner evenly through the hair. Leave in for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Framesi Color Lover Dynamic Blonde Conditioner. Banish the brass, moisture, strength and repair. Keep your blonde, gray, white hair brighter, more refined, while keeping your color 95% longer. Specially formulated to eliminate brassy, yellow tones from blonde and gray hair. Dynamic Blonde SHAMPOO's perfect daily companion for all hair types. Moisture, strength, and repair. Weightless, perfect for all hair types. Will not build up. Top reviews from the United States. I love it. I love this conditioner. The only downfall to it is that it is so thick that it will not come out of the pump. You have to unscrew the cap and dump it in your hand because it is so thick, but other than that it is really good. And also the shampoo that you can use with this is also really good. I would recommend both products to anyone.